L, replacing the initial sound. L, we are going to be putting a B in front of it. Bell, we will be replacing the B with the C. Cell, we'll be replacing the C with an F. Fell, we will be replacing the F with an S. Cell, we will be replacing the S with the T. Tell, we will be replacing the T with the W. Well, we will be replacing the W with the Y. Yell, we will be replacing the Y with an SH. Shell, we will be replacing the SH with an SM. Smell,